Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Eastern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Lenore to 5 miles west of Shelby, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gastonia, Hickory, Shelby, Newton, Lincolnton, Kings Mountain, Mount Holly, St. Stephen's, Belmont, and Conover. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. These storms are also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, and Lincoln.